Hey everyone, I'm Selena. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm super excited to dive into the Hisense 100-inch mini LED 4K UHD Smart Fire TV. If you're dreaming of a massive cinematic home theater experience, this TV might just blow you away. Stick around as we break down its features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's the right fit for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes this Hisense TV stand out. This beast has a 100-inch mini LED display, delivering stunning 4K resolution with vibrant colors and sharp details. The mini LED tech means deeper blacks and brighter highlights, perfect for movies or gaming. It's a smart Fire TV, so you get built-in access to streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus right out of the box. Plus, it supports Dolby Vision and HDR10 for that next-level picture quality. You also get a 144Hz refresh rate, which is a dream for gamers, and it's packed with Alexa voice control for easy navigation. Oh, and did I mention the 4.1.2-channel Dolby Atmos sound system? It's immersive audio that fills the room. Now let's break down the pros. The picture quality is jaw-dropping. Colors pop, and the contrast is incredible, especially in dark scenes. The 100-inch screen feels like a home theater, making it ideal for movie nights or big game days. Gamers will love the smooth motion with that 144Hz refresh rate, and the Fire TV interface is super user-friendly. The built-in Alexa makes searching for shows or controlling smart home devices a breeze. And for the price, you're getting a lot of premium features without breaking the bank. But no TV is perfect, so here are a couple of cons. First, the size. At 100 inches, you need a big room to fully appreciate it, and it's not exactly easy to move around. Setup might require some extra help. Also, while the sound is solid with Dolby Atmos, audiophiles might still want a dedicated soundbar or surround system for the ultimate experience. Lastly, some users have mentioned the Fire TV interface can feel a bit ad-heavy, but it's a minor gripe for most. So, who's this TV for? If you've got the space and want a massive, high-quality screen for movies, sports, or gaming, this Hisense is a fantastic choice. The mini LED tech and 4K visuals deliver a premium experience, and the smart features make it easy to use. It's a great value for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment without spending a fortune on a projector setup. Ready to check it out? Head to the link in the description to grab the Hisense 100-inch mini LED 4K UHD Smart Fire TV on Amazon. You'll find the best pricing and any special promotions through Rick's Review Hub, so don't miss out. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest tech. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.